my dear citizens, how are you guys? Everything good?
Yes, Maharaj. Good, Maharaj.
So, just like 20 years ago, we won the battle of Kurukshetra. Just like that, Krishna killed all of the demons. And he made everything peaceful. So you understand, right? The importance of Krishna in our lives. If you just surrender unto him, everything will be peaceful. And just see, this existed. He was so hopeless, but he made him a king. So always be in surrender of Krishna. Got it?
Yes, Maharaj.
Yes, Maharaj.
My dear brother Bhim, how have you been?
I'm good. I'm good.
What are you doing here over here? You have other service, right?
Yeah, I had other and I did it. It's done.
Do you want a rest or do you want to do another one?
No. Actually, I had some dilemma in my mind. I'm dealing with some dilemma. You know, I do this work, executing people and making everyone discipline and all. But I'm really tired of using this brute force and everyone. I'm really tired of doing this all, pulling out trees and keep beating everyone, etc., etc.
But that is your specialty. You kill all the evil all around our kingdom.
But I want to do something constructive, something which requires my using my brain. Something like you are doing just right now.
So do you want to do a service which we just solve all the problems of our citizens? Do you want to do that?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. So from next week, I will be going to a pilgrim. So can you take my service instead of that and you can solve all the questions of the...
Yes, why not?
Sure.
Yes,
Okay.
I will do it.
Okay then. I will get going and you will take this chair. This is my chair. You can sit on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will start from tomorrow.
Yes.
Yes.
All hail Lord Bhim. Maharaj, should we begin the assembly?
What do we have to do exactly?
So technically, people come here with questions they're facing in a town and they seek your help. They seek your shelter. So they will come.
I will solve everyone problem.
Maharaj, you are great.
Yes, let's start.
All glories to Yudhishthir Maharaj. All glories to Yudhishthir Maharaj. No, Bhim Maharaj. Maharaj, I have a question.
Yes, ask. I will solve all your doubts.
Where is Yudhishthir Maharaj now?
That is none of your business.
Then who will solve my problem?
What do you think I am doing right here?
Sorry, Maharaj. Maharaj, my question is that I have some small land. There I was doing farming. So protect like my crops, I build some fences around it. So like wild animals do not get enter and they will eat the crops.
Very good.
So now the problem starts here. Now the fences are eating the crops itself.
Wait. Let me explain. I got what you are saying. I got it. You think I am fool or something?
No, Maharaj.
I get it. You are saying that to protect your crops, you build a fence around it,
Yes, Maharaj.
and someone is pushing that fence forward and taking your crops.
No, there is no someone. The fences are itself eating my crops.
The fences are eating crops.
Yes, Maharaj.
He looks like a madman.
You what? Do you do some substance abuse or what something?
No, Maharaj.
Get lost. Don't ask such nonsense questions.
Please leave. We don't want you to brute force. Please leave. Next in the assembly, please come.
Yes.
महाराज युधिष्ठिर की जय, महाराज युधिष्ठिर की जय. Bhim, Maharaj, up. What are you doing here? Where is Yudhishthira Maharaj?
Why don't you ask your question?
So, if you are available, if you are able, able to answer my question? Is it?
I am able to answer your question.
So-
ask your question. What is it?
So, I have a jug filled with water and I pour it into 4 glasses. Again, I pour it 4 glasses into jug, but it get less than there before. Are you understand?
No, I don't. You are
Should I
saying
repeat?
there's a jug filled with water, and you pour that water in 4 glasses.
Yes.
And when you pour the water again into jug,
Yes,
the
yes.
water is less than before.
Yes, less than before.
You must have drank it.
Yeah, exactly. You must have drank some and
No,
forgot.
Maharaj, no. I didn't.
You didn't.
Yes.
Okay.
I hope it's water, Maharaj. I hope it's only water.
Yeah, I doubt. Ask this question to Yudhishthir Maharaj, you know. These are very small questions, you know. I don't answer such questions.
Is it?
Go.
Maharaj, some water.
No, I don't want water, please.
Very difficult.
Next in the assembly, please come.
Pranam Maharaj.
Yes, this one is smart, huh?
Listen.
Yes.
Maharaj.
Ask your question.
Yes, Maharaj. Actually, I have a problem, Maharaj.
Everyone has problem. What is your problem? Come
Yes.
on.
So the problem is that, Maharaj, I had an elephant. So I put it in a needle. So the elephant passed. But the problem is that its tail got stuck in that needle.
You are saying that
Come closer. Come closer.
there is an elephant. You passed him through the eye of the needle,
Exactly.
but his tail got stuck in it.
Yes.
Maharaj.
Get lost.
Innocent, Maharaj, innocent.
Maharaj, I have another question also. Can I ask you?
You again. You come here.
This
Come
time
here.
I have a serious question.
Serious question.
Yes.
I hope it's genuine.
Okay, tell me.
So I have a cow and she gave it my son. Oh no, not son. Like
The cow gave your son.
no, my
What is he talking?
my cow given a birth to a calf and she after giving birth to a calf she immediately eaten. So
Let me ask it. Please.
You said your cow gave birth to a
birth to a
calf,
calf.
and then after giving birth to the cow ate the calf.
Yes.
You foolish guy. Cow is herbivorous.
That's why my question, Maharaj.
Should I bring your brother? It's in the next room.
Put him into prison.
Maharaj.
Please come with me. We want to place again.
Yes, who's the next one?
All glories to Yudhishthir Maharaj. All glories to Yudhishthir Maharaj.
Please.
Oh, sorry.
Please behave.
All glories to Bhima Maharaj. Maharaj,
What is wrong with your stomach?
I have a certain question.
Okay, what is it?
Can you tell me, can you guess whether I'm a boy or girl?
What does he look like? I am really confused.
Might be transgender.
I don't know.
What kind of king are you? You can't
Ask
guess.
me what's your question, though.
You can't guess whether I'm a boy or a girl. Anyone of the crowd want to answer whether I'm a boy or girl? Anyone want to answer? Anyone can answer.
It's really tiring day.
Yes, terrific, Maharaj.
Who is next?
Surprise you're making.
All glories to Bhim Maharaj.
What's your question? Come here. If this time you ask something foolish, I'll treat you personally. Yeah, what's your question?
Maharaj, you are the strongest person in our kingdom. You are the more powerful person in our
Yes,
kingdom.
I am.
Friend of 10,000 elephants. You know?
Thank you.
Yes, what's your question?
So what is going on our kingdom, Maharaj?
What happened? What happened?
I saw a small effulgent boy. He was tying a mountain with a thin rope, and he pulled the mountain, and then mountain fell off. Whole mountain fell off.
Come here. You take me immediately to Yudhishthir Maharaj.
Yes, Maharaj. Lord Bhima is arriving.
Remove him from job. You know,
What happened? What happened? What happened?
I'm really tired.
Yes.
You know what happened?
First sit. First sit.
It was such a terrific day. How do you handle these people?
No, we have very good
And
citizens.
Maharaj, honestly, is some sort of substance abuse or something is going on in our
What
our
happened?
kingdom.
What happened? What happened? Just please tell me everything.
What to say? It's like, you know what happened?
Yes.
First, a guy comes in and he says, his fences are eating his crops. How can fences eat crops? And then the second guy comes and he says, I filled a jug with water, and then when I poured the water into the 4 glasses, and then he poured the 4 glasses again into the
I
jug.
understood that. Third one.
Yeah, okay. And the third one is a guy comes and he is like extraordinary. He's a legendary. He says that he passed an elephant through the eye of a needle,
I understand.
and the tail of the
I
elephant got
understood that.
stuck.
Fourth one. I
Fourth
understood.
one?
Yes. I got that answer.
Okay, fourth one.
Yes.
A guy comes and he says his cow ate the newborn calf. How does like a cow eat grass? How can it eat calf?
Next one.
And the fifth guy, he was challenging my strength. What nonsense? Like, do you have any doubt? Like, is there something more stronger than me?
Okay. Please keep calm. These are not a normal human
Arey, first
beings.
listen the fifth one.
I know.
You know.
I'll tell you. These are not normal human beings, These are the symptoms of Kali Yuga. We are living in Dwapar Yuga, right? Everything is peaceful around here. But the next Yuga is going to be hellish. Kali Yuga is going to be hellish. What's the first one? The fence one, right?
Yeah.
The fence were eating those crops. These are nothing but the politicians of this age, of this Kali Yuga. We elect those politicians. What do I say?
We like the politicians to protect ourselves.
Yes, that politician. Sorry, my English is not good. I'm from Dwapar Yuga. So, politicians, we elect those to protect the citizens. But these politicians are so corrupt, they just exploit the citizens like anything. And the second one was, what was the second one? I forgot that.
Water.
Water.
You
Those are
keep
nothing.
quiet.
You're going to get off the job. The second one was that the children of the Kali Yuga. The children are so sinful. The parents work so hard for them. They earn so much money. They earn so much things they do for them, for the children. But the children, in return, they just leave them when they're old. They just leave them for nothing. And the third one was that elephant. This is a funny one, actually. I liked it very much. The big dons, the big criminals, they are roaming like anything in this world. They are controlling the systems. Everything is controlled by them. But the small criminals are going from this cell to this cell, this cell to this cell, everything like that. And the fourth one, that is very unfortunate thing of Kali Yuga. The mothers, like the cow ate her own calf. The mothers, they kill their own
Child.
in the stomach. And some countries are so sinful that some countries eat them.
What?
Yes, there are countries like that, but we don't talk about that.
This will happen in Kali Yuga?
Yes, this will happen. So, but the fifth one was a little extraordinary.
Why so?
You mentioned that beautiful young boy, right?
Yes. He says that he's more stronger than me.
He's more stronger than everyone.
Why so? What is
Your
it?
strength is given by him. The most beautiful Krishna, he comes in the Kali Yuga, and he gives us that Lord Gauranga form, and he gives us the Harinam, just a small Harinam, and by his name, the sins bigger than the Burj Khalifa. There's something in Kali Yuga, people will know. You don't know this. You are very good. So the big sins, like big sins, they will just tear it down just by Harinam.
Oh, is it so?
Yes, it is all mentioned in Bhavishya Purani.
What is the Harinam?
Okay, I'll tell you. The Harinam is Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare.
Let's chant the Harinam then.
Yes.
Hare
Before we do that,
Yes.
there was a sixth one also, right?
Sixth one?
Yes.
Yes. That guy is asking, am I a boy or female?
Actually, we should remove him from Rama. Actually, he is not worth it. Don't take him again. Okay, let's chant again for it.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare.
Hare Krishna. So the conclusion was pretty straightforward, that Kali Yugas are very much sinful, but the fifth one is Harinam Sankirtan.
Sixth one, identity crisis.
Yes, Roshi.
In Kali Yuga, nobody knows.
Yes, the sixth one is identity crisis. We didn't plan actually that. So the last one, the conclusion is chant Hare Krishna and be happy. And we are going to do exactly that. There will be short kirtan. Can you just pick up all the chairs and please kick it out. Thank you very much.